area, total 143,998 square kilometers. Country comparison to the world: 95 land, 130,168 square kilometers. Water, 13,830 square kilometers. Land boundaries, total 4,413 kilometers. Border countries: Myanmar, 271 kilometers, India 4,142 kilometers. Coastline, 580 kilometers. Maritime claims: territorial sea, 12 nmi, 22.2 kilometers, 13.8 miles. Contiguous zone, 18 nmi, 33.3 kilometers, 20.7 miles. Exclusive economic zone, 200 nmi, 370.4 kilometers, 230.2 miles. Continental shelf, up to the outer limits of the continental margin. Elevation extremes: lowest point, Indian Ocean, 0 meters. Highest point, in the Modoc Range at 1,052 meters, at N21 degrees 47 minutes 12 seconds east, 92 degrees 36 minutes 36 seconds. Nokyo Kradong, 883 meters, not 1,230 meters. Ortajingdong, 985 meters, not 1,282 meters, as sometimes reported.